Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to combine two radiation patterns in a polar form in CST. So let's say we have a dipole antenna, we have like azimuth plane and the irradiation plane, the H plane and E plane. So how are we going to combine these two graphs in CST? So first I will show you step by step. So let me delete this data. Okay, so we have a dipole here. Okay, then after that we have the radiation pattern. So let's say we have a 3D, something like this. Okay, then the elevation will be something like this one. Oops, I can make it like 0, 180 here. Okay, so you can see the plan. Okay, so we have one is this, another one will be the like a donut here, so will be like 360. Okay, so we have something like this. We have both. Okay, so we go back to the 1D polar. Okay, so I can just change to like 5 is 90 degree. So you can see the number is like the radiation pattern is like the 8. So how are we going to combine this theta and phi together? Okay, so you can do something like this. First, you just right click on the graph, plot properties, and then you copy the result to the far field pattern. That means they will save in here. Alright, so I just click on OK. So now we press OK. Now we have the theta here. Okay, then we add another one is a phi. So something like this, phi. Okay, then we can combine it like right click, plot, copy, okay, then okay. So now we have two graphs together. So how about we can make it like in dB? Okay, let's make it in dB. We can just untick this one. We can also like right click, plot it, then copy, okay, then we do another is theta. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, then it's in dB. We can also do the same, copy, okay, just press OK. Then we have like two graphs, so we can just choose like the theta in dB. Okay, this is in dB. Okay, and this one is in linear. Okay, so this is how we're going to combine two graphs together in CST. Okay, if you want to export the data for far field, you can just go to the post processing here, click on here. So if you choose like theta equal to 90 degree, right? So your file is theta equal to 90 degree. So you can make it like theta equal to 90 degree. So we make another file. Okay, and you also can save it like phi equal to 90 degree. Okay, the elevation. So you can choose it like linear or dB. So just like go post processing here, export ASCII, then choose like theta. Okay, then you have a data something like this. So let's say number 2, just now you just save it. So you can see theta here is changing. It's like the phi is 90 degree and the column is the gain for the in dB. Okay, so this is how you're going to get your data. And then if you want to put like in the Excel, right? So from here, right, you can just like Control A, copy, and then go to the data, just paste it. Okay, then you can see it's like actually it's not each column, right? You can't find it. Actually they are combined together. So you just Control Z, don't worry, you just go to paste here, use the wizard, import in wizard, then click on next, and then finish. So then you have like each column of the data here. Okay, so you can just like the first one is theta, is the second one is a phi, and then the third one is the gain. Okay, so after that you can plot it in sigma plot. You can plot something like this using sigma plot. Okay, thank you guys, that's all.